welcome to my video today. This is going to be a quick video. I just want to share with you the Blessed2Craft make and take projects that I have this month. I am in full swing of the new catalog being live and getting ready for the paper party that I shared with you guys earlier last week. And then this week we'll be diving into some new projects, but I wanted to make sure to share with you the make and take projects for this month. So my Blessed2Craft make and take monthly is a club that you can sign up for. When you sign up, it's $35 a month. That includes shipping, and then you get $20 in product plus a make and take for the month. And that's what this is this month. This month, I am focusing on the new in colors because I just love them so much. I think I've mentioned a couple times that when I first saw these colors online, I did not like them. And then I got them in my hands and I totally fell in love. So this month I'm using the Sweet Songbirds. This is a bundle, so it's the stamp set and the punch. And when you're part of Blessed2Craft Monthly, you can get the add-on stamp set, and you don't pay shipping or tax on it because it's included in your packet at the end of the month. I don't charge you shipping or tax. It's a perk for being a part of the club each month. And so here is card number 1, and it uses the beautiful cardstock. I'm going to save the best for last. This is card number 2, and it has that birdie on it. I forgot to do the bird's nose on both of those, but that's okay. We can always add that. So that's card number 2. And then this is a fun fold, and it's card number 3. And it's my favorite with the lime green. I just love it so much. It's so cute. And that blue and green go together so well. So it's $35 a month. And let me show you the product that you're getting this month. You will get several sheets of the cardstock. So I want everybody to be able to use the cardstock and see these colors in person and then have some left over for other projects if you want to create other projects. I will have a few other projects this month for this make and take class. I do plan on doing a couple, so you'll get those in addition to the make and take pre-recorded videos, and then you get a PDF with these cards here. So you'll get a few sheets of the cardstock of all 5 colors. I think you will get 3 or 4 of each sheet. So that's amazing. And then you will get a quarter pack of the designer paper. This is the In Color Basics. And it just has all of those basic designs, and you'll love that. So you'll get a quarter pack of that. And then you will get a brand new pack of the In Color Matte Dots. So you can see I've already used some of mine, but you'll get a whole new pack of those. So you'll get those items, plus you will get all of the items to create your cards. And then I just want to mention that I know that the Stitched So Sweetly dies have retired, which is really sad. I love these dies. I'm still going to use them in my card kits. So if you're getting a kit from me of something to make, you may receive that. And that is just because I love them so much, and will be continuing to use those dies. And then, like I said, you can swap out any stamp set or dies that you want. If you don't want to do the Songbird, you can do something different. If you do want to follow along and get the Sweet Songbird, you can do that. The bundle is $34, I believe. So that's all you pay is the $34. And I send that link out. So the link to join this will be in the description below or over on my website. When you're a part of Blessed2Craft, for 6 months, you get a 6-month gift, which is $15 in product that I send out to you. So that is really fun to do when you are a part of it for 6 months. And then if you're brand new to Blessed2Craft, you get a welcome gift that includes a set of dimensionals, a little fun pouch, and some goodies in that. So I would love for you to join us and make these cards with us and get this make and take packet in the mail. And if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be back later this week on Tuesday and Friday with new projects for you with brand new product. I'm expecting a Stampin' Up! Box tomorrow, and I want to get that and unbox it with you. I will probably do a YouTube Live tomorrow and just share with you some of the items that I purchased right away from the new catalog, and then we'll make something together. So I hope you're having a great week, and I will chat with you guys tomorrow. Thank you so much for checking out my video today. I hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that I have recently put together. I hope that you will check those out, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.